Get paid to take pictures with your phone. In the past, high-quality cameras were expensive. Fragile devices used primarily by professional photographers. And while you can still spend a pretty penny on a top-of-the-line model, most modern smartphone cameras are more than capable of taking amazing pictures, even if all you know how to do is point and click. And whether you're a full-time photographer or an amateur in search of a good side hustle, there are dozens of ways to sell the images from your phone. All you need is a smartphone with a camera and a good platform on which to sell your photos. In this video, we'll run down some of the best ways to get paid to take pictures with your phone. Starting a photography side hustle is not as easy as whipping out your phone to catch a pretty sunset, then selling the image online. Before you can get started making money from your iPhone or Android photos, you'll need some equipment, software and basic know-how. You don't need to be an expert, just cover these basics and you'll be ready to get started. Smartphone with a high-quality camera. With technology constantly advancing, a good smartphone camera is essential if you want your images to sell. Even if your images are properly framed and well lit, they'll be tough to sell if they're shot with an outdated lens or in low resolution. Photo editing software. You can do basic edits on your phone. But if you're optimizing photos for print, think wall art and merch, you're better off editing your images on a computer. There are numerous free apps you can download that will actually pay you for your photos. Although you will need a large portfolio of photos to start making money. Once you upload the images, these apps can be a great source of passive income.